Hey boaters, my name is Cleet Galasso and I'm with Lighthouse Marine Supply. This weekend we're going to be at the New York National Boat Show at the Javits Center in New York City. We're there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I'd like to invite you by our booth number 761. Please stop by and sign up for a chance to win a free gallon of Petit Hydrocoat Eco. It's a water-based, multi-season, ablative, copper-free bottom paint. So not only can you paint the bottom of your boat, you can paint all your running gear, your trim tabs, and even your stern drive. And we also going to have a special on Petit Sea Gold water-based satin wood finish. It's a water-based wood finish that you can add multiple layers in one application. And we're going to have a special, $39.95 a quart, and we'll ship it free to the tri-state area, New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey. Free shipping, $39.95. So please, stop by our booth, 761 at the New York National Boat Show. This is Cleet Galasso from Lighthouse Marine. Hope to see you there.